Mga kapanok, so for today, we're gonna go and test drive one of our friends from Grim.
What?
Test ride our friend from Grim.
Gay!
Hello vlog! Welcome to my guys. Another day, another panot on the road. Alright mga kapanot, so today we're going to test drive our friend Sir Francis from Grim's CV400 Super 4. Always been a dream of mine to own one, so malay natin no, in the next few days, if wala pang takers, baka iuwi na natin to. This is also up for sale at a price of... Actually, naka-scrambler setup na siya eh. Diba? Wala na masyadong ayusin. You know, aesthetically pleasing to the eye naman siya. Mga kapanod, bumalik lang tayo ng HQ para magpalit ng balaklava. Itong solo ever kasi dumudulas eh. And then after this, ride out. Actually, mga kapanod, what I like about the aesthetic looks on this big bike, it reminds me of my first classic, the Keyway Cafe Racer 152. Just makes me want to take this bad baby home.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Pero sige, we'll see. If wala pang taker to in the next few days, baka tayo na ang new owner ng Baby Beast. Sandaan natin. Sorry na rin. Sandaan natin. Doon na. Sana hindi ko nabuksan eh. Nani?
Nani?
Oh, first and second lang ako eh. Ang taas ang gear ratio eh. I can feel the heat in my body.
Nice.
Sarap sa tenga ng CV400. Dyan ba? Pwede ba dyan? Sarap. Sige, hintayin mo ako dyan. Tara, pasok na ito. Labas na ito. Ayun yun. Yeah. It's been a long day. Northwest Water CC nakapasok trip. Pag pumanan, saan labas? Layo ko, delik kang nakapwesto. Kapanot, bilihin nyo na to. Kung di nyo bibili, ako bibili. Pero wala, ginuhitan tayo ng 800cc doon. Pinayagan akong umabal.
Panot!